Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we're at the Triumph factory for the launch of the new 450 motocross bike from Triumph, the TF450 RC, and I believe Ricky Carmicheal is going to be here to unveil it. Shall we go and take a look?
Yeah, it's a very fun time for me, very big day for me and Triumph as well. Super honored to display the brand new TF450 RC edition. Exciting times, and you think about the brand, just how iconic Triumph is, and never did I ever think that I would be in this situation, and I'm excited, very excited. I hope that everyone enjoys this work of art as much as I do. I think it's a well-performing motorcycle for all levels of riding, from the lowest level to the highest level. So I'm going to pull the curtain back off of this. Everyone having a good day?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see here. Make sure I don't mess it up. There you go. So just a very special moment for sure, big day for myself and the brand for sure. And I think about the TF450 RC edition and the time spent and the inspiration behind it all. What's the difference between the RC edition and the standard edition is just it has my signature ODI handlebars, Dunlop tires, which I prefer and raced with majority of my career. It has a Henson clutch cover, has a start device, and some special tunes on the ECU unit that I like, and then of course some engine hangers that makes the bike perform a little bit different from a handling perspective. And yeah, very humbling and an honor to be a part of this. I will be, I'm going to sign some autographs for you guys. I'm not going anywhere just yet, so yeah, you guys just make yourself at home, come up here and yeah, sign some autographs for you guys.
So guys, what do you think? Is it going to be successful? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, thanks very much for watching this impromptu video, and catch you on the next one.